In this demo, I will show you how to do traffic routing with Istio. I'm going to create a V2, a version 2 of my Hello World app. So we still have the Istio ingress controller, and the Istio ingress controller will redirect to the version 1 of my Hello pod, and this Hello pod will connect to World and World 2. I'm going to add a new pod, Hello V2. It will be a new deployment, but the app label will be the same. So the service for Hello will route to Hello and Hello V2. The distinction between the apps is going to be in the label version. The first pod has version V1 and the new pod will have version V2. In the Istio rules, I will then have to define some new rules to route the traffic, not to both pods, but depending on the version number, I want to route all the traffic to the first one, and only when it matches some specific rule, I want to send it to Hello V2. So in this demo, I will change the virtual service rules, and I will say that if the host is hello example.com, then route it to version 1. If the host is hello example.com and the header and user is equals to John, then send it to V2. And this is actually quite powerful that Istio can do this, advanced routing rules, because you could make your app in a way that if a user is logged in, that you pass a header or a cookie or something that identifies that a specific user is logged in. And only when this user is logged in, then you will show the new version of the app. That way you can test your app on the cluster with Istio, but no users will see it. Only this specific user, this end user John, will be able to see the new version. So that's what I'm going to show you now. So I have a hello world v2.yaml. This is deployment. This deployment is called hello v2. Still 3 replicas. The label is still app hello, but here the version is v2. This app will output hello, this is v2, and it will add the content from world 2. So these are the 3 exclamation marks. So let's have a look at our first deployment to see the difference. So we have hello world.yaml, and here we have metadata name hello. So this is different because now we have v2, but here we have the same app label. The label app is hello, and this is version 1. So what will happen is that if you wouldn't use Istio, then we would have a service that selects on app hello. So it would route it to both the earlier hello deployment and both the new v2 deployment. So that's not what we want. We're going to create some rules to distinguish between those. And those rules I have in hello world v2 routing.yaml. This is of kind destination rule of the Istio API. I'm going to call this hello. And I say if the destination host is hello default SVC cluster local, so this is our hello service within our cluster, then we're going to have 2 subsets. We're going to have subset name v1, and that will be routed to the pods with the labels version v1, and we will have a v2, and this will be routed to the pods with the labels v2. I just have to update my virtual service now. So this is the same virtual service I created earlier. I will now override it. I'm going to specify a host, hello example.com, so I'll have to pass this. Still my hello world gateway, and then I will have a default route here at the bottom. So if nothing matches, then this route will be used. So this will be the host hello default SVC cluster local, but it will use subset v1. Then I have a matching rule. Here with this matching rule, I have headers. Right here, headers end user exact John. So this header end user is a key. John is the value. This needs to match. If this matches, then I will route this to the destination hello, but subset v2. Let's test this out. I will have to add my v2.yaml, and I will apply my hello world v2 routing.yaml. I destroyed and spun up my cluster again between the demos, so let's have another look at the service of Istio system. This is my load balancer. So if I do curl /hello, it's not going to work anymore because I applied different routing rules. I still have only one virtual service. I just have overridden it with my v2 YAML file. So this actually gives a 404, not found. If I want to reach my hello world app, I need to pass a host name now. So host helloexample.com, and then I get my hello world. So this is the URL that normal users use. People will get the hello world URL. Now I want to reach v2, and the header that I can use is end user John. And if this header is set, by example, this can be set by your login code on your website, then I'm going to get hello, this is v2. So this hello, this is v2 comes from the hello app, and these 3 exclamation marks come from still the world 2 app. So this is how you can direct traffic and put advanced routing rules within Istio to redirect traffic to one app or the other app.